Hi, John here. In this short video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Unionbank app to Palawan Express Pera Padala, which you can claim on any Palawan branches nationwide. Now, let's get into this. Let's open Unionbank app. You will be redirected to dashboard window. Reminder, please include the transaction fee when you transfer money to Unionbank. I wish to send 2,000 pesos, so I add 85 pesos extra. You can see the transaction fee later. So, let's continue. To send, click Send Money icon. Under Send tab, select Remittance Center. Then, click Palawan Express. There will be a pop-up of service fee table. Then, click Proceed to continue. Enter the amount you want to send and the purpose. When done, click Next button on the upper right corner. You will be notified about the transaction fee. If you agree, you can click Proceed. Now, enter recipient details. Fill up all label, especially with asterisk, because it's required in order to proceed. If everything looks good, you can click Next button. Now, enter recipient address. Here, you cannot proceed without inputting on every label. So, instead, you can add NA for not applicable on house number and street name label if the recipient doesn't have one or doesn't know it. If you're done, click Next button to proceed. Review the transfer details, recipient details, and recipient address. If there is an error, you can click Edit. Then, tap to check the terms and conditions. You can read that one if you want to know the full terms and conditions. Now, to continue, click Send your amount and transaction fee to proceed. Please read the reminders. By the way, I am sending now after cutoff, so I am expecting the money on the next servicing day. If you send before the cutoff time, it's usually processed within a minute or an hour depending on the traffic. Now, click Proceed with Transfer to continue. After the next day, I look at the transaction again. To see it, you can go to Inbox in the upper corner. Select Transaction tab. Then, our funds are ready for pickup. If it's ready, your recipient will also receive a text message that he can now claim it. Just bring ID to claim. So, hope you guys enjoy this video and give it a thumbs up. Comment if you have question and share it. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you.